How to verify your Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnath and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your Coinbase account. Now, the process itself is quite similar on both iOS and Android device, so let me guide it through. First, you want to open up your Coinbase application wallet or the account there, and then you want to log into your account. Now at the top left corner you'll find the three horizontal line icon. Basically I'm unable to show you here, but so once there, you want to head into your profile and settings, and under profile and settings you'll find the option that says enable send and receive. If the option is not available, you want to go to the Coinbase document verification page. You want to select the document type, follow the prompts to upload your ID document, and once the steps are completed, the identity verification process will be completed. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here because this screen will turn blank. It won't let me screen record it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.